Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to learn the hula step called the Uwehe. Now, if this is your first time tuning in, this is more of a difficult step. So if you'd like to learn some of the basics, I'll go ahead and link those videos below. Go ahead and check them out. Now, according to the Hawaiian dictionary, the Uwehe is described as followed. One foot is lifted, with weight shifting to the opposite hip as the foot is lowered. Both knees are then pushed forward by the quick raising of the heels, with continued swaying of the hips from side to side. Let's go ahead and take this very slowly, step by step. Start with both knees bent, hands on your hips. Shift your weight to your left as you raise your right foot. Step down. Gently lift both heels off the ground and shoot your knees forward. Shifting weight to the right, lift your left foot. Step down, gently lift heels, shooting knees out. Let's repeat. Right, Uwehe. Step, left, Uwehe. Step, right, Uwehe. Step, left, Uwehe. Notice that we continually sway right and left, and our knees are constantly bent. Let's try a little faster. Ready? And step, Uwehe. Step, Uwehe. Step, Uwehe. Step, Uwehe. As you raise your foot just slightly off the ground, you should make no noise as you're bringing it back down for each step. Let's take a look from the side view so you can see how the heels are gently lifted and knees are pushed out. Starting on your left, Uwehe. Right, Uwehe. So notice this is just a gentle lift of your heels, and you really want to push out your knees, making sure to keep your knees bent so that you do not bounce up and down. Now let's go ahead and try this step with the ipu. Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. Would you like to leave me a comment? I'd love to hear, how was learning the Uwehe for you? Was it as difficult as you thought? Or did the step-by-step instructions help you to learn it? I'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe if you haven't already, click the bell, and give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you back next week for more hula. Until we see each other again, a hui hou and aloha.